What's up, gamers? It's your boy Nick the Slit coming at you live from the house of the person who left their front door open. I'm just came back from my afternoon shower cry, and today we're gonna unbox this epic promotional Detective Pikachu Pokemon card. So in case you couldn't tell, Detective Pikachu is the greatest movie of all time. Pikachu is my favorite Dragon Ball character, but we all know that Dragon Ball is actually an Animal Crossing spin-off. Who would have guessed? So let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, so actually opening up this pack, it's actually not a Pokemon card at all. Instead, it's actually my debit card that I thought I lost 12 years ago. Meow? Thank God I wore the belt. Okay, what is it? Tube of chapstick. No, that's not gonna help me out. Futuristic Barney. Maybe. I'll think about it. A way out. No, not too much. Ooh, what's this? Wow, guys, look at my amazing discovery. It's a Daisy Super Smash Bros. Amiibo. Talk about a smooth transition. Okay, so there's a bunch of Japanese stuff back there, but don't worry, I'm a translator. Sushi, anime. Okay, whatever. Here we have, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. We gotta go to nintendo.com/amiibo. Some more stuff. We have like a compatible Nintendo system and game required for each separate Amiibo functionality may vary per game system and or game updates. Must be required to use the Amiibo functionality. Some games it does. Oh, Princess Daisy, I will make you the queen of Great Heffley Land. Get over here. You will not get my present, baby, away from me. What the? Dang it! It's open! How could you do this? No! Not this time!
Sorry guys, about that little incident where I was brutally interrupted. But anyways, welcome to another unboxing, everybody. Today we have a Daisy Amiibo, a Young Link Amiibo, and a Ken Amiibo. Let's go! Let's start with my Daisy Amiibo, the one that almost got stolen. Look at this Amiibo. Look at it. Look at the Daisy. Look at my Daisy. Look at my Daisy. Okay, so now you're probably wondering, Jackson, you have 2 Amiibo left. How are you going to unbox them? I cannot see them in the box. They're too horrifying in the box. You need to open them. Open them! Well, don't worry, because I decided a way to open them. But before I tell you, let's look at the boxes. So first, we have this Young Link Amiibo I got when I flew all the way over to New York for this Amiibo. Just for this Amiibo. No other Amiibo. Nothing else. I need that. Just look at this Amiibo, okay? It's good. It's good looking. Okay, so let's start. So, Super Smash Bros. Young Link. Link. Infant. Infant. I'm gonna say infant, okay? Link. Nino. I don't know Spanish. That's either, I think that's Japanese. Okay. So 6 and up, I don't even think Young Link is 6. No, he probably is 7. I don't even know. I don't know the Ocarina of Time. But let's move on. Okay, so the Nintendo logo and the Amiibo logo, like tradition. Some stuff. I wonder what this QR code is. And then we move on to the back. Amiibo. Rest in peace, Wii U, Nintendo 3DS, This is Mario, not Young Link. Nintendo Switch. And the NFC. Ugh. Whoa, look at that gameplay! Look at that gameplay! Look at him. He's swinging his sword. Battle against and alongside your amiibo to power them up. Power! 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 The Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. The Young Link. Here's some stuff about the amiibo. And then we have some stuff. And the barcode, here's the barcode, and other things. So yeah. Next. Okay, so now we have a Ken amiibo. See, this is a Barbie doll, okay? And he even appeared in a Toy Story movie. So this is a really good find on my part. So let's get a look at it. Super Smash Bros. Ken. Japanese, I think. Why? Is Ken not cool enough to have names in different languages? See, look at this. Look at this. Young Link, he has 4. Ken, 2. What is going on here? Anyways, we have the figure. Ken has different hairstyle and his pose. That's false advertising! Nintendo, Amiibo, QR codes, tradition. Is that a micro SD card? Is that an internet thing? I don't know. Let's move to the back. Nintendo Switch, Nintendo 3. Yes. Why are they all Mario? Super Smash Bros. Look at him! Look at him! Look at that! Then we have Ken himself. Nintendo.com/Amiibo. Nintendo.co/Japan/Amiibo. Amiibo logo and everything. Look at all this. This is some cool looking stuff. Wait. It's got the official Nintendo seal. How is this the official Nintendo seal? Well, this is the Barbie character we're unboxing, and his hair is different from his pose. This doesn't make sense. Anyways, let's unbox these bad boys. Let's do it. But first, you need to know how I'm going to unbox it. So, Ken kicks things, right? So we're going to kick these amiibo and punch them until they decide to open. But Jackson, what about Young Link? Well, I had the solution for you. I have transformed and changed clothes as well. Alright, let's begin. Hey guys, I think I need to return my Amiibo to the store. There's a defect in Ken. I think there's a defect in Ken. Look at him. And his hand is down there. as you can see, here's 10, and here's a finger. There it is. Congratulations, 10. You've broken tradition on this account. In this Amiibo series, you're the first one to have be broken by me. Yay. But the job isn't done yet. Let's finish the job! I don't know, guys. That mask was doing some weird stuff to me. I'm gonna go throw it in the dumpster. Alright, people. It's time to add these new Amiibos. So first we have Young Link. Oh wait, I need a name. I got it. Okay. Young Paul. Yes. Okay. Yes. We've done it. Alright, let's put him away. Okay, Daisy. Okay, Okay. This one. There we go. And then there's, your Ken. Let's go. Somebody help. 10. Okay, 10. Okay, we're good. Now let's go to the battle. The battle. Okay, let's do this. Okay. You know what? I feel like I need to play this round. Oh wait, yeah, we do need 5 players. Oh wait. Okay. Okay. Pit. 10. Young Link. And then, hi, I'm Daisy. Okay, let's begin the battle, people. Let's begin. Oh yeah, Delfino Plaza. Okay. Okay. Oh, we gotta level up, people. We gotta level up. Ooh, let's go. Okay, okay. So, it looks like everybody's died except for Pit and 10. Okay. You know what, let's just have them battle it out. And just see what happens. Ooh, a smash ball, never mind. I want the smash ball. Okay, okay. Don't worry, guys. I missed, I'm a genius. I did it. I'm so good at this game. I just got a kill. Okay. Okay. Oh, Daisy's down. Okay, gotta get out of here, gotta get out of here. Okay, I'm gonna say goodbye to Young Link now. Okay, there we go. Alright, watch me two-stock 10. Okay, 10, get over here. Your time is up, 10. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. He's done. He's done. He's done. Okay, guys, thank you for watching the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. You know, the usual. Nick the Slick made his own version of the beginning of the video. So, he added a scene, so go watch that. And subscribe to him. And also no Mario Maker direct stream because YouTube and policies. Okay, bye!